In a tragic incident on Thursday afternoon, an Air India flight AI-171 bound for London Gatwick crashed moments after takeoff from Ahmedabad's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. The aircraft, a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, departed at 1:38 p.m. IST, carrying 242 people on board, 230 passengers and 12 crew members. Of the 242 people on board, 169 were Indian nationals, 53 British citizens, 7 Portuguese nationals, 1 Canadian national. According to initial reports, the aircraft crashed into a doctor's hostel near the airport shortly after takeoff. Disturbing visuals from the crash site show a dense column of grey smoke billowing into the sky and charred wreckage shattered across a wide radius. More than 24 ambulances and 7 fire engines were immediately dispatched to the scene. Several injured passengers have already been transported to nearby hospitals for emergency treatment. Medical and fire rescue teams remain active, combing through debris and assisting survivors. Access roads to the crash site and airport have been cordoned off, and traffic diversions are in place to allow uninterrupted movement of emergency vehicles. Flight AI-171 was scheduled to fly 6,849 kilometers over approximately 9 hours and 45 minutes, typically heading west over the Middle East, Turkey and Europe before reaching London Gatwick. The flight was due to land in London at 18:25 local time, according to a statement from Gatwick Airport. Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu expressed deep sorrow, stating,
"Shocked and devastated to learn about the flight crash in Ahmedabad, we're on the highest alert. I am personally monitoring the situation and have directed all aviation and emergency response agencies to take swift and coordinated action. Rescue teams have been mobilized, and all efforts are being made to ensure medical aid and relief support are being rushed to the site. My thoughts and prayers are with all those on board and their families."
The Civil Aviation Ministry is actively monitoring the developments, and a full investigation is expected, with the aircraft's black box and cockpit voice recorder critical to understanding the cause of the disaster. Owns Air India confirmed the incident in a statement issued by Chairman. "With profound sorrow, I confirm that Air India Flight 171 operating Ahmedabad-London Gatwick was involved in a tragic accident today. Our thoughts and deepest condolences are with the families and loved ones of those affected. At this moment, our primary focus is on supporting all the affected people and their families. We are doing everything in our power to assist the emergency response teams at the site and provide all necessary support and care. An emergency center and dedicated family support teams have been activated, with Air India setting up a passenger information hotline 1800-5691-444. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken stock of the situation, and Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu is rushing to Ahmedabad to assess the situation. Stay tuned to One India for all the updates.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update. Download the One India app now.